Okay, let's get into it. A masterclass on one of our most advanced technologies.
So you want to master the light switch? This right here is your official guide.
All right, your journey begins with the first and most crucial step, the approach.
Confidence is everything. Walk with purpose. You were born for this moment.
And here's the thing about the psychology. You gotta project total coolness.
Okay, next up, you have to correctly identify your target. Precision is everything. So here's what you're looking for. And yeah, keep an eye out for that classic builder grade regret. Now this is a super common mistake for beginners. The thermostat? That's a whole other adventure.
Okay, let's talk engagement. Believe it or not, your choice of fingers says a lot about you.
So the whole technique really boils down to this simple, binary choice, light or darkness. And now for the most important part. You've got to confirm if it actually worked.
Success? Oh, you'll know it. You'll feel this incredible surge of wizard-like power.
But failure is also a real possibility. And it starts with a profound feeling of absolutely nothing. So what do? Naturally, you question everything, and you just flip it again. And this escalates fast. You start flipping it repeatedly, like pure speed is going to help.
Spoiler alert, it doesn't. Speed will not help you here.
At this point, you got to consider maybe it's not you. Your technique might be perfect.
All right, for those of you who've mastered the basics, it's time for some expert-level moves.
Each of these has its own purpose, for atmosphere, so use them wisely.
And just like that, you've done it. You have conquered the light switch, a huge accomplishment. This new skill opens up a whole new world of possibilities, even other technologies.
But hey, a quick word of warning on that last one. Dimmers are no joke. Don't approach them lightly.
Which leaves us with just one final, very important question.